Good evening, Elaine. It's about 7 o'clock in the evening and we're in Pembroke. Is it just pronounced Pembroke?
No, it's Pembroke.
Pembroke? Oh, and we're in Pembroke. Well, it's spelled Pembroke. Fancy spelling it Pembroke, and it's called Pembroke.
Pembroke.
We've just had something to eat, and we thought we'd step out for half an hour or so and have a look at Pembroke Castle and do some exploring. This way. Just walk round the corner and there is the castle. Pembroke Castle, not Pembroke Castle. Well, we're even on a town trail.
This looks like unreal.
That is unreal. Look, are we upside down?
Look at that.
That's amazing.
Look at my photo.
That's incredible. So we haven't been in the castle, but we've been able to film the grounds of the castle.
Well, we've had a peep over the wall.
A peep over the wall with the drone. It's quite enough this evening to have been able to do that. But yeah, as castles go, really impressive.
Yeah.
You've got these waters as well that lie behind the castle. It's lovely. We thought we'd walk round the castle. They call it the Castle Walk. And it's a nice little walk to do, to walk off one's evening meal. You'd think after all the walking we've done today, we'd be resting. But no. Walking around castles instead. So if you ever come to Pembroke, or passing through Pembroke, make sure you have a walk round Pembroke Castle. We'd go in, but it is late, and we're guessing it's closed. We've had a nice walk, haven't we? Just heading up towards the main entrance of the castle. Look at these cottages as well. Cottages, buildings, quite old. And that's the entrance to Pembroke Castle. Shame it's closed. The mean Harry.
It's confusing, that, isn't it?
Bet he was chuffed.
Why call him Harry if he's Henry?
We'll have to come again. But we're on our travels tomorrow. Hope Harry doesn't mind you sitting there.